He had kind of compared it to cancer, though, because, I mean, cancer doesn't necessarily think about what it's doing. It just kind of, it wants to grow, it wants to get bigger. And he said humans are kind of like that. What would you say to him? I'm taking a comparative world religions class at my school right now. And we kind of had a debate early on just about, do we think God is real? Do we think he's not? And one of the atheist students had, you know, kind of touched on the idea of kind of that morals point to God existing. That was what I said. And then they said something like, well, yeah, morals are intrinsic and they exist, but they exist because it's like an evolutionary thing. So like the fact that we know murder to be wrong comes from our natural inner drive to keep our species alive, or the fact that we know rape is wrong, that comes from like a natural inner drive for peace amongst...
Whoa. If survival of the fittest, why wouldn't we rape to survive?
I don't know, but...
Yeah, well, the problem is that if evolution has given us these moral so-called precepts, they're not really precepts, they're illusions, right? We just think it's wrong to rape, but it's not really wrong to rape because there is no standard beyond us. And by the way, a biological process has no authority to tell you what to do, right? True. That's all evolution is, it's biology.
He had kind of compared it to cancer, though, because, I mean, cancer doesn't necessarily think about what it's doing. It just kind of, it wants to grow, it wants to get bigger. And he said humans are kind of like that. What would you say to him?
Because...
That sounds so awful. I'm so sorry, but just, I'm interested.
Cancer is not conscious. It's not wanting to do anything, okay? He's personifying runaway cell growth.
I know, he's very poetic, isn't he?
Okay, what's that?
He's very poetic, isn't he?
Yes. So and another thing he's doing here, he's engaging in something, a fallacy called nothing buttery. This is a fallacy where you say this is nothing but. To say that our morals are just an evolutionary deception, he's assuming he's above all that and can see, oh, this is just a deception. He has more than knowledge in order to say that our morals are nothing but an evolutionary deception. Where's he getting that more than knowledge from? He's putting himself in some sort of supreme position from YouTube. Yeah, maybe that's where he's getting it from. No. If God does not exist, nothing's ultimately right or wrong. And by the way, if evolution gives us all our morals, then evolution also gives us all our thoughts, including the thought that evolution's true. So why believe evolution's true?
That's very true.
Thank you.